Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Klaviyo to Shopify. You can follow along using the link to Shopify provided in the description below. Klaviyo is a powerful email marketing hub where you can create campaigns, set up workflows, build automations, and much more. Using Klaviyo can help you grow your audience by creating informative, valuable content that boosts leads, engagement, and ultimately, sales. We all aim to streamline our stores and e-commerce businesses, but integrating various platforms can sometimes be challenging. Let's walk through it step by step. To begin, open Shopify and navigate to your Shopify dashboard. Once you're on your dashboard, click on Apps. You'll see Apps and Sales channels. Now, although I've installed Klaviyo previously, I'm going to uninstall it to show you exactly how to install Klaviyo from scratch. First, head over to the Shopify App Store by clicking on the top right corner. In the App Store, search for Klaviyo. You'll see a few Klaviyo options, but the main ones are Klaviyo Reviews and Klaviyo Email Marketing and SMS. We'll be downloading the Klaviyo Email Marketing and SMS app. Once you've found it, click on Install. After downloading, proceed with the installation. When it's fully installed, you'll see integration options, such as connection details, on-site tracking, and historical data. You can click Import to bring in any existing Shopify data so that it becomes accessible in Klaviyo. Now, after setting this up, you'll see sync settings from Shopify. If you want your sync settings to go from Klaviyo to Shopify, select that option here. Then click on Update Settings at the bottom right corner. That's it. Your Klaviyo and Shopify accounts are now connected. There are countless benefits of using Klaviyo, like lead generation, turning potential leads into revenue-generating sales. For this, start by going into Klaviyo and accessing sign-up forms. With it, I can offer an incentive for customers to sign up, like a discount or newsletter offer. To create a form, click Add Forms to Website. From here, you can choose either the integration settings for direct embedding or form installation by adding the form's code to Shopify. Once installed, click Create My Own Sign-up Form to customize it. I'll pick a sample template that says, "Looking for something? Stay up to date on our restocks and new products." Next, select a specific subscriber list where your form responses will be collected, and then click Create Form. Now you can customize the form's design, such as image and text. You can adjust targeting and behavior, setting it to reappear after a user closes it. For instance, you can choose to display it again after 1 day. Here, I'm selecting 0 days for demonstration purposes. Below that, there are options to allow users to close the form by clicking outside it, and settings for timing to have it display immediately. In the targeting section, you can decide if the form appears to everyone, only to existing Klaviyo profiles, or specific segments. I want it to show for everyone except current Klaviyo profiles, so I'll select that option. Additionally, there are parameters for UTM, location, and cart contents. Once these are set, click Publish Changes. For those who want more form steps, Klaviyo lets you add additional steps like SMS opt-in or more profile information. Once integrated, go to your online store to view the pop-up's functionality. You'll see that the pop-up appears live, and clicking outside it or on the close icon will close it. You can also change the form type to a full-screen pop-up, embedded form, or flyout by selecting Edit and adjusting the style. You can personalize background colors and other styles to suit your brand. Now, let's move back to Shopify. Go to your Klaviyo dashboard to start building automations for your Shopify customers. You can choose campaign or look into flows. These are ready-made templates in Klaviyo, such as welcome series or abandoned cart flows. For example, if a customer leaves an item in their cart without purchasing, you can set up automated emails reminding them of their items, possibly with a discount incentive. Click Get Started on any of these pre-built templates and adjust for your brand. With the customer data from Shopify, these flows make it easy to automate email marketing with minimal customization. Just add your personal branding and review. Once your automation is set up, you'll be ready to start email marketing with Klaviyo and Shopify. This integration is highly effective, especially for businesses that want a straightforward, user-friendly email marketing tool without needing extensive features. That's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to try it yourself using the link to Shopify provided in the description below.